The members of RLPS Teaching Fraternity welcome all of you to our Founders Day celebrations. I am Chandramohan Srivastava.
And I am Supinder Bhatia.
Come, rest your weariness at our door. Let our hearts glow, warm you to the core. With open hearts, we offer you this space. Find in our welcome, comfort and embrace.
The stage alight, a year's hard work to be unfurled, with dance and song, a story to be told. Your talents shine in every RLPN's art, a day of joy to gladden every heart.
Today's eve, we will have a multi-hued program to thrill and amuse you with the captivating performances of RLPNs. Now, RLP's head girl, Miss Vansika Gupta, and head boy, Master Ritvik Sharma, shall take you through the official phase of RLP's Jhansi Founders Day function. Thank you, teachers. With a great pleasure, we bid a warm welcome to our revered chief guest, Brigadier Parthik Singh, Deputy GOC, Headquarters, 31 Armed Division, Jhansi Cantonment.
We are jubilant by the gracious presence of our STA Managing Trustee, Mrs. Shalini Bhargava, and other distinguished members of Badnath family. Welcome one and all.
Now, I would request the dignitaries on the stage for the lighting of lamp and garlanding the portrait of Goddess Saraswati, Valiant Rani Lakshmibai, Vaidya Pandit Ram Narayan Sharma, the initiator of Sri Baidyanath Groups of Ayurveda Industries, a great visionary, on RLPS founder Dr. Pandit Vishwanath Sharma, and Mrs. Geeta Sharma, a founder chairman's esteemed wife. We offer this garland, a tribute in bloom, for the seeds you've sown that vanished all bloom. Each petal, a symbol of the vision you cast, a legacy built forever to last.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We are extremely honored to have Brigadier Parthik Singh, GOC, as our chief guest today. Here is an introductory note on Brigadier Sahab. Brigadier Parthik Singh, a record generation officer, was commissioned in the 5th Battalion of 1st Gurkha Rifles in 1997. The regiment he later commanded. A Master's in Management Studies and Master's in Science, Brigadier Parthik Singh has attended various army courses to include Defence Services, Staff College at Wellington and Higher Command course at Army War College, Mo. In an illustrious career spanning over 27 years, the Brigadier has a balanced exposure along the eastern, northern and western theatres and a unique experience in various terrain and operational environment, including high altitudes, built-up areas and counter-insurgency operations. He has commanded an infantry brigade at Mira Sahib in Jammu and Kashmir. sector during Operation Sindoor. Operation Sindoor, please big clap. Wherein the brigade was awarded with 3 Veer Chakras in addition to few Sena medals and commendation cards. He led the brigade in orchestrating the entire might with all resources to pound on the enemy and cause maximum fatal casualties to Pakistan Army soldiers and infrastructure. He has held various staff appointments, including the General Staff Officer of an Infantry Brigade, the Colonel Q of a Mountain Division, Deputy Commander of an Infantry Brigade. The officer has also served with the United Nations Interim Forces in Lebanon. The brigadier also served as an instructor at Indian Military Academy, Dehradun, and Army War College, Mo. He has been awarded with General Officer Commanding-in-Chief Commendation Card, Northern Command and Chief of Army Staff Commendation Card for his outstanding professional achievements during his service. He is a keen sportsman and enjoys listening to music in his spare time. Brigadier Patrick Singh is married to Mrs. Shweta Singh. The couple is blessed with a son, Ekarth Pratap Singh, and daughter Akaira Singh, who are pursuing their studies in Jhansi itself. Sir, we welcome you with the bottom of our heart, and I'm also very much pleased to have on dais my managing trustee, of course. She is always so much gracious to be with us on all such occasions, and especially Madam Neha Sharma and Atul Sharma Sahab. I really, extra thanks to them. They are every time down there, but this time they acceded to my request to be on the dais. Thank you so much, and thanks to one and all.
Thank you, sir. In halls of learning, a dual flame.
Now we have our venerated principal sir to present RLPS annual report for the year 2024-25. Please, sir.
Yes. Here I am again to trouble you, but then this is important, a brief of the school progress during this current, rather the last academic session. Honorable Chief Guests, dignitaries, distinguished invitees, and the proud parents of RLPS present on RLPS Founders Day. Your wards school has entered in the 43rd year of its service to the society under the vision and inspiration from our founder chairman, late Pandit Vishwanath Sharma. Come on, clap for that great soul. Come on. It is all because of him. As a tribute to our most respected Panditji, under his birth anniversary celebrations, RLPS staff and the students have brought out the cultural bonanza, Amazing India, Mera Bharat, Manzil Ki Aur. You will be witnessing it after the official phase of the program. The result in board classes at ISC and ICSC level 2025 exam have been % with a few RLPs finding place in national level merit list released by CISCE New Delhi. What mentioning highlights of the board results are. Kindly, my teachers and my students deserve a big clap. Come on, please. Appreciate their effort. The first point under it is 22 RLPs secured 75% or above marks in class 12 out of 34. Master Weber Gupta has been the topper from the district of Jhansi with 98.17% in class 10. Two students achieved 100% score. In fact, I must club it together instead of telling you subject-wise. 25 students have scored 100% marks in various subjects. 127 RLPNs out of 154 have passed out with 75% distinction marks, and of course more than 75. RLPS management has taken a conscious decision to introduce quite a few new subjects to provide more choices to RLPNs in selecting subjects under their course of study. More of it you will hear under the speech by my managing trustee this evening. As the saying goes, that sound mind rests in a sound body, we are focusing more on health developing activities and yoga exercises for RLPNs. Moreover, to upgrade infrastructure, management has been forthright and positive as always. The credit of the star-studded success of RLPS Jhansi goes to RLPNs, their parents and members of RLPS staff. Over and above, the leadership of our worthy chairman Pandit Anurag Sharma and our managing trustee, who is more involved, who is more frequent in looking into school affairs, Mrs. Shalini Bhargava deserves all the praise for providing conducive teaching learning environment. OSS, the new issue of RLPS annual magazine, is available for release in its fresh look and design. OSS is the proof enough of the optimum writing skills and creativity of our RLPNs under the able guidance of RLPS teachers. I once again welcome everybody present on this spectacular occasion. We look forward to your invaluable cooperation. Thanks and regards.
Thank you, sir. In halls of learning, a dual flame, the teacher's guiding light, a widespread name. With diligent heart and steadfast hand, students and teachers, a united band. Here, we have RLPS academic stars on the stage to be felicitated by our honorable chief guest, Brigadier Parthik Singh. They are the toppers of various RLPS classes during the last academic session, 2024-25. Our teachers, Mr. Chandramohan Srivastav and Mrs. Sukhwinder Bhatia, will introduce RLPS academic stars. Master Gaurav Bajaj, son of Mr. Gaurav Bajaj, of class 1B, secured 98.20% marks.
Master Ayan Agarwal, son of Mr. Rahul Agarwal of class 2B, secured 98% marks.
Master Archit Roy, son of Mr. Abhijit Roy, of class 3E, secured 99.04% marks.
Master Devik Kesaria, son of Mr. Satish Kesaria of class 4B, secured 98.67% marks.
Master Aro Arora, son of Mr. Pratik Arora of 5D, secured 98.29% marks.
Master Samagra Hayaran, son of Mr. Nishesh Hayaran of class 6A, secured 97.76% marks.
Master Lakshya Sahu, son of Mr. Devendra Sahu of class 7D, secured 98.36% marks.
Master Shreyas Raj Seth, son of Mr. Suresh Kumar Gupta of class 8A, secured 98.88% marks.
Miss Launika Modi, daughter of Mr. Kapil Agarwal of 9B, secured 95.87% marks.
Master Ritik Sharma, son of Mr. Satpal Sharma of class 11th Science, secured 86% marks.
Master Vaibhav Gupta, son of Mr. Manoj Gupta of class 10B, secured 99% marks.
Miss Bhumika Agarwal, daughter of Mr. Hemant Agarwal of class 12 Science, secured 95.75% marks.
Master Aniket Singh Yadav, son of Mr. Mukesh Singh Yadav of class 12 Commerce, secured 83.80% marks.
A canvas bright with words we weave, a yearly harvest we believe, of thoughts and dreams in ink so bold, a treasure chest for stories told. Open this book with curious eyes and watch our young RLPN's spirit rise. Now, I implore our respected chief guest to release officially Oasis, the new issue of our annual school magazine in which much has been said, exhibited and expressed by our talented and creative RLPNs. Please, sir.
It would be appropriate to share a piece of information that the digital version of Oasis will be uploaded shortly on RLPS website and Facebook portal for one and all to enjoy reading it.
With patient hand and wisdom deep, you saw the seeds for future to reap, a guiding light and also of learning glow. You spark the minds, help understanding grow.
Sincere endeavor and diligence deserve recognition, and all deserving RLPS facilitators for ICSC and ISC 2025 board results, long service cash awards for RLPS staff, and mementos for head boy and head girl do find fulfillment when management rewards them. Undoubtedly, it's a gesture of gratitude and encouragement for our teachers and staff. Now, I plead our honorable chief guest and other dignitaries to give away cash awards to RLPS teachers for ICSC and ISC 2025 board examination results. Now, I request our respected principal sir to announce the names of RLPS facilitators. Please, sir.
Ladies and gentlemen, for your kind information, this tradition was started years back by my founder chairman, and I'm grateful to my present dignitaries in the management that they have continued with it. Rather, they have been more gracious towards teachers. So we have the tradition to yearly honor the facilitators who are taking board classes. Because as I have read also, and in general, you must have come to know through newspapers and through our portals, our result has been excellent over the years. This year, we have 25 teachers to be given cash awards of rupees 1,20,000. There are for board classes, when I say board classes, class 10 and class 12, the teachers who are taking various subjects at ICSC level and ISC level. I'll just read out the names. I'll request my dignitaries to do the honors. Mr. Rajiv Singh. Mr. Rajiv Singh has been one of the senior most teachers in my school last year. This is last year's result, 2025 March. At present, he has been upgraded as a principal. He has been upgraded as a principal of our Datia branch. So, Mr. Rajiv Singh. Then we have Mr. Rahimullah Khan. Then next in line is Mr. Uday Kumar Jain. Next to follow is Mr. Nirvair Kalsi. Mr. Manoj Saxena. Mrs. Mamta Tripathi, Mr. Krishna Kumar Yadav. Next to follow is Mr. Pushpendra Kumar. Then Mr. Sanjay Dubey. Then Mr. Chandra Mohan Srivastav. Next to follow is Mr. Abhishek Dwivedi, Mr. Rajat Srivastav, Madam Neelam Kushwaha, Madam Rekha Srivastava, Mrs. Bharti Singh Yadav, Mrs. Sukhvinder Kaur Bhatia, Miss Sangeeta Soni, Mrs. Prabhat Dubey, Mr. Deepak Shakya, Mr. Nikhil Kumar Gupta, Mrs. Shraddha Mishra, Mr. Mohammad Hashim Mansoori, Mrs. Archana, and finally Mr. Deepak Jaiswal. Big hand to all my teachers, please.
Inspiring words from our STA Managing Trustee, Ma'am Shalini Bhargava. Please, ma'am.
Namaskar. Honorable Chief Guest, Deputy GOC Shri Parthik Singh Ji, special invitees, proud parents of RLPS, members of the RLPS staff, and the reason for why we are here, my dearest children. As usual, it is a privilege being present on this auspicious day where we remember our founders by remembering and following the path that he has led. I am grateful to Ma Pitamra that she continues to guide us in raising the standard which was so meticulously put down, so thoroughly inculcated with the best intentions of raising the standard of education in Bundelkhand. It gives me an immense pleasure to see the schools thrive. What little we can do, what little we can guide, it is by divine providence, I can assure you. I, along with your current chairman, Honorable MP Shri Anurag Sharma Ji, do to provide the impetus to the ecosystems of teaching and learning in all the 3 schools. But when I say that we are truly blessed with your cooperation, with the hard work and sincerity shown by my staff, whether it is extracurricular, teaching, and my support staff, all 3 things provides the success story of RLPS. To make the curriculum more comprehensive and diversified, artificial intelligence at ICSE and ISC level, physical education at ICSE, ISC level, along with modern English has been introduced. Yesterday at Datia, I assured the parents that the same will be done to the Datia branch also. The computer learning laboratories have been upgraded to provide more space in experiential learning under the implementation of the new guidelines set by the CISE, and we continue to learn coding classes beginning itself from class 6th. I take this opportunity to appreciate the efforts of my teachers again and again in providing the milestone as so thoroughly read out by Shri Ashok Kumar Ji, Principal Jhansi. 25 RLPNs of classes 10th and 2 of classes 12th have been awarded merit certificate by the board for being among the top 0.1% holders at the national level. Bringing forth this kind of result in a very difficult terrain in itself makes us grateful that we are walking the right path and we are not only talking but delivering what we have promised to our parents. Master Archit Roy has received a silver medal and the certificate for outstanding performance at the International Maths Olympiad. RLPS have also emerged as winners for ICSE International School Competition in some of the categories like chess, carom, kho-kho, basketball, volleyball, kabaddi and football. And we have won district level Olympic tournament in badminton and karate too. While we fully understand that electronic gadgets are effective learning tools, but to keep the health of your wards, particularly the eyes, and keeping them in shape in a balanced physical and mental growth, please, again and again, I request you to limit their screen time at home. It saddens me to say that young children are getting eyeglasses, especially short-sightedness at a very, very young age, which is not correct. Also, for the safety of the children, please send them to school through appropriate transport. As we notice that the autovaras are driving quite erratically. If your ward is coming by two-wheelers, please ensure that he wears the helmet from the house to the school and not 10 meters away before he enters the premises. It has been noticed time and time again that especially the children from classes 9th to 12th who go for tuitions from here are not wearing their helmets, and it is noticed in the town. As you are aware that we are under the society, the trust led by my revered father, Dr. Pandit Vishwanath Sharma ji, we are also devoting an immense amount of resources which is procured from the tuition fees in almost 48 schools of the Bundelkhand region. I encourage the people to take a look on the website so they can understand that the fees that we procure is going to the most needy parts of Bundelkhand, especially in the lower income categories whereby we provide computers, furniture and scholarship along with the much needed school notebooks as it is presented in the Pandit Vishwanath Sharma Hindu Charitable Trust Facebook page. Please, I request you to join this particular Facebook page so that you are aware of the kind of philanthropic activities that have been increased over the past 9 years. I solicit humbly the cooperation of the parents amongst the teachers and the staff so that we provide the best ecosystem environment for your wards. Again, I congratulate RLPS staff and students for releasing the wonderful school magazine Oasis, and with this I take your leave. The children have really worked hard. Almost 635 students today will come on stage and उनकी प्रतिभा को जो हमने निखारा है वो आपके सामने ये प्रस्तुति करते हुए आशा है कि वो और आप दोनों ही उसका लुत्फ उठाएंगे। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Thank you, ma'am. The another proof of RLPS management being gracious, being so much concerned about the staff is the cash award which is presented to the members of staff on completing 10 years of distinguished service. This is also a tradition with RLPS. Please appreciate. This year, 3 of my staff members are getting it. I'll request my chief guest and dignitaries to be here on the stage to do the honors. Mr. Sanjay Dubey. Check of rupees 25,000. Mrs. Vandana Khatta. Check of rupees 25,000. And Mrs. Jagdeep Kaur. Check of rupees 25,000. Please appreciate the efforts of the teachers and do recognize the gracious nature of RLPS management. Now may I request Chief Guest Sir and other dignitaries to present mementos to Head Boy Ritvik Sharma and Head Girl Vanshika. Please, sir. Take your seats. And now, of course, Brigadier Sahab, it is your turn. Please enlighten us with your views. And since you have been the part of Sindoor operation, please do speak about that. Big hand, please. Please, sir.
Respected Principal, the Honorable members of the Managing Committee, dignitaries, esteemed faculty members, proud parents, and most importantly, the young budding students. At the outset, I would like to thank you all for having invited me for such a grand event. I am indeed very grateful to all of you. Today we gather here to celebrate a significant milestone for Rani Lakshmibai Public School, that is the 42nd Founders Day, and I am honored to be part of this great celebration. I am thoroughly impressed by the outstanding achievements of the students that the principal just highlighted. Your hard work, dedication and creativity are truly commendable. Congratulations to all the prize winners, and I wish each one of you continued success and excellence in all your future endeavors also. As I look around, I see the future of our nation, and I am filled with pride and hope looking at you. Each one of you is a shining star with immense potential and talent. I must say, Rani Lakshmibai Public School has done an exemplary job in nurturing and grooming you to become the leaders of our future. The world outside is full of challenges and opportunities, but I have no doubt that each one of you has the potential to overcome these challenges and achieve success and glory. You are the future scientists, engineers, doctors, and the leaders of our nation. You will be the one who will drive the innovation, progress, and growth of this great nation. The principal and this entire team of staff, you are doing an honorous job of building our nation, building our future, teaching our children. So we are indeed indebted to you also. Thank you so much. And since the principal mentioned that I must speak something about Sindoor, I'll just put a word across. We are not born to die for our nation. We are born to fight for our nation and let the enemy die for his nation.
Now we pay a tribute to him by highlighting his life and achievements through visual clips.
RLPS झांसी के संस्थापक दिवस उत्सव में सभी प्रबुद्ध अतिथिजन व आमंत्रित अभिभावकगण का शुभ स्वागतम। पंडित विश्वनाथ शर्मा हिंदू धर्मार्थ न्यास के संस्थापक और RLPS के जनक कीर्तिशेष डॉक्टर पंडित विश्वनाथ शर्मा जी की जन्म जयंती के उपलक्ष्य में स्वरांजलि अर्पित करते हैं।
राजस्थान के ग्रामीण अंचल कांसली गांव में जन्मे डॉक्टर पंडित विश्वनाथ शर्मा जी द्वारा पुष्पित व पल्लवित RLPS स्कूली शिक्षा में सफलता की सीढ़ी पर अग्रसर पूजनीय संस्थापक की चिर स्थायी स्मृतियों को चित्रित करने जा रहा है। समाज सेवी व जननायक पंडित विश्वनाथ शर्मा ने स्वयं को राजनीति व समाज हित के कार्यों में समर्पित किया।
सांसद रहे माननीय शर्मा जी जीवन की सांझ में भी निर्धन बालकों की शिक्षा संवर्धन के लिए तत्पर रहे। निस्वार्थ भाव से समाज उत्थान के लिए अंतिम श्वास तक तन मन धन से जुटे रहे। ऐसे विशाल हृदय के धनी थे पंडित जी, RLPS के सर्वजन प्रिय संस्थापक।
वर्तमान में RLPS संस्थापक के लोक कल्याण के उद्देश्य की पूर्ति हेतु उनके सुयोग्य आत्मज RLPS के चेयरमैन सांसद श्री अनुराग शर्मा व सर्वथा निपुण आत्मजा श्रीमती शालिनी भार्गव प्रबंध न्यासी के रूप में अनवरत कार्यरत हैं।
विद्यालय परिवार आप दोनों का विशेष आभारी है। धन्यवाद।
नमन अभिनंदन। सुधी अतिथिगण का आनंद विभोर है हम संस्थापक दिवस की शुभ बेला में अत स्वागतम शुभ स्वागतम।
प्रार्थना के स्वर बिना ये जीवन सूखा सूना खाली है। इष्ट देव की स्तुति से हम सब ने जीने की राह निकाली है।
RLPS में आज वाद्य यंत्रों की महफिल सजाई है। आज बुंदेली तान पर स्वर तरंग मानो 10 दिशाओं में लहराई है।
झांसी की मिट्टी में जन्मी एक साधारण सी लड़की, लेकिन उसके सपनों में थी आसमान को छूने की ललक। उसका नाम है शीलू यादव। पंडित विश्वनाथ शर्मा स्पोर्ट्स एकेडमी झांसी में मेहनत और समर्पण से तैयार हुई ये एथलीट
हाल ही में शीलू ने दक्षिण कोरिया में आयोजित अंतर्राष्ट्रीय मैराथन में भारत का प्रतिनिधित्व किया और देश के लिए स्वर्ण पदक जीत कर आए।
शीलू यादव।
सांसद श्री अनुराग शर्मा जी ने न सिर्फ शीलू को सम्मानित किया बल्कि आगे की तैयारी के लिए संपूर्ण सहयोग का आश्वासन भी दिया।
शीलू यादव।
शीलू सिर्फ एक खिलाड़ी नहीं, वो झांसी की नई पहचान है। ऐसी बेटियां ही बुंदेलखंड को नई ऊंचाइयों तक पहुंचाती हैं।
धन्य है हम आप सभी की रानी वीरांगना लक्ष्मीबाई की कर्मस्थली झांसी में है। आइए वीरवाला का यशोगान करें, उनकी गौरवमयी गाथा यहाँ की माटी में है।
सिंहासन हिल उठे, राजवंशों ने भ्रकुटी तानी थी, बूढ़े भारत में भी आई फिर से नई जवानी थी। गुमी हुई आजादी की कीमत सबने पहचानी थी, दूर फिरंगी को करने की सबने मन में ठानी थी। चमक उठी सन 57 में, वह तलवार पुरानी थी, वह तलवार पुरानी थी।
हमने सुनी कहानी थी, खूब लड़ी मर्दानी, वो तो झांसी वाली रानी थी। सुनते हर बोलों के मुँह हमने सुनी कहानी थी, खूब लड़ी मर्दानी, वो तो झांसी वाली रानी थी। सुनते हर बोलों के मुँह। तेज से तेज तेज की वह सच्ची अधिकारी थी। अभी उम्र कुल 23 की थी, मनुज नहीं अवतारी थी। हमको जीवित करने आई बन स्वतंत्रता नारी थी। सिखा गई पथ सिखा गई जो हमको सीख सिखाने हमने सुनी कहानी थी। खूब लड़ी मर्दानी वो तो झांसी वाली रानी थी, झांसी वाली रानी थी, झांसी वाली रानी थी, झांसी वाली रानी थी, झांसी वाली रानी थी।
जंगली जानवर भी हमारे साथी हैं। जरा नजदीक जाकर तो देखो, सीख जाओगे जीने का हुनर। जरा जंगल में मस्ती का आलम तो देखो।
Welcome to the jungle. Jungle, 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 jungle.
अरे आज जंगल में म्यूजिक क्यों बज रहा है? आज तो एनिमल की पार्टी है और जादू भी होने वाला है। Monkey is the naughtiest animal, but you know the monkeys are very intelligent and they also have 32 teeth.
इसमें भूत कोई चढ़ा है, खैर ना जानना, जिद पकड़ के खड़ा है, कम वक्त छोड़ना जानना।
Who is this fat animal? He is Phytopotamus. अरे Phytopotamus नहीं, Hippopotamus. He is the third largest mammal in the world. He can hold his breath for 7 minutes.
मैं बढ़िया तू भी बढ़िया, पर मैं आजाद हूँ चिड़िया। रख तू अपनी फुलझड़िया बढ़िया बढ़िया।
He is lion. Lion is the king of the jungle.
मन भवर उठे तन सिहर उठे जब खबर उठे के आवे सिंघम। नाव अगर चले बस लहर चले जब आवे सिंघम।
जाने कहाँ गए वो दिन जब हिंदी फिल्म का हर गीत हमें गुदगुदाता था। आइए दबे पांव चले उन गलियों की सैर पर जहाँ हर शख्स मुस्कुराता था।
जो तेरा चकराए या दिल डूबा जाए, आजा प्यारे पास हमारे, काहे घबराए काहे घबराए।
मालिश तेल मालिश।
तेल मेरा है मुस्की, गंज रहे ना खुशकी, जिसके सर पर हाथ फिरा दूं चमके किस्मत उसकी। सुन 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 अरे बेटा सुन, इस चंपी में बड़े बड़े गुण, लाख दुखों की एक दवा है, क्यों ना आजमाए। काहे घबराए काहे घबराए।
ए भाई जरा देख के चलो, आगे ही नहीं पीछे भी, दाएं ही नहीं बाएं भी, ऊपर ही नहीं नीचे भी। ए भाई जरा देख के चलो, आगे ही नहीं पीछे भी, दाएं ही नहीं बाएं भी, ऊपर ही नहीं नीचे भी। ए भाई
मेरा जूता है जापानी, ये पतलून इंग्लिस्तानी, सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी। मेरा जूता है जापानी, ये पतलून इंग्लिस्तानी, सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी, फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी। मेरा जूता है जापानी।
तेरे ले लो
एक चतुर नार बड़ी होशियार, एक चतुर नार बड़ी होशियार, अपने ही जाल में हंसत जात हम हंसत जात। अरे एक चतुर नार बड़ी होशियार। थम अरे थम, अरे थम 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 रोक।
Will you sing with me? Say D.
dancer. Yeah, I am a disco dancer.
देश है वीर जवानों का, अलबेलों का, मस्तानों का। इस देश का यारो, इस देश का यारो क्या कहना, ये देश है दुनिया का गहना। दिल भर के लिए दिलदार है हम, दुश्मन के लिए तलवार है हम। मैदान में अगर हम डट जाए, मुश्किल है कि पीछे हट जाए।
सदियों से शतरंज की बिसात बिछाते आए हैं जीत जाने को। मार्शल आर्ट की मस्ती भी लाए हैं आपको रिझाने को।
हाथी, घोड़े, तोप, तलवारें, फौज तो तेरी सारी है, पर जंजीर में जकड़ा राजा मेरा अब भी सब पे भारी है।
मन के जीते जीत है, मन के हारे हार। हार गए जो बिन लड़े उन पर है धिक्कार, उन पर है धिक्कार जो देखे ना सपना।
सपनों का अधिकार असल अधिकार है अपना।
तू भोर का पहला तारा है, परिवर्तन का एक नारा है। ये अंधकार कुछ पल का है, फिर सब कुछ तुम्हारा है।
भगवान विट्ठल की धरती से मराठी परिधान में सज धज के आए हैं। भक्ति रस में डूबे RLPNs मानो हम सबको रिझाने आए हैं।
मुखी तुकोबाचा, मुखी तुकोबाचा, मुखी निळोबाचा, मुखी निवृत्तीनाथाच्या। विठ्ठला 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 पांडुरंगा, विठ्ठला 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 पांडुरंगा। गजर माऊलीचा गजर, माऊली 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 माऊली। विठूचा गजर हरिनामाचा, जयकारो विना, जयकारो विना।
जेन जी का डिजिटल जमाना है, आर्टिफिशियल इंटेलिजेंस को अपनाना है। सोशल मीडिया की अंधी दौड़ में भी अपने होनहारों को भारतीय संस्कार दिलाना है।
भारत भाग्य विधाता है, जन जन का प्राण प्रिय, मेरा वतन मेरा चमन। माँ बहनों के सिंदूर का मान रखा, दुश्मन के चिथड़े चिथड़े उड़ाया तन।
से उस गीदड़ ने शेर को पीछे छोड़ दिया, कायरता की परिभाषा को पहलगाम में तोड़ दिया। लाशें बिछ गई मासूमों की, लहू भी लहूलुहान हुआ। धर्म पूछ कर मारा सबको, जन्नत भी वीरान हुआ। भूल गए जवानों को तुम जिनकी धर्म न जानती है। आसमान सिंदूरी कर दो, हिंद की सेना आती है।
जेंटलमैन कैडेट्स, इंडियन मिलिट्री एकेडमी वो इंस्टीट्यूशन है जो 1932 से आज तक अनगिनत ऐसे वीर सूरमा आर्मी ऑफिसर्स दे चुका है जिन पर जितना भी गौरव किया जाए कम है।
Forward march!
सरहद पे चले, सरहद पे हमें आवाज लगानी है। माथे पे तिलक जय हिंद लगावो मेरी निशानी है। माथे पे तिलक जय हिंद लगावो मेरी निशानी है। सूरज की तरह सर चढ़ते हैं हम पर्वत को गिरा के बढ़ते हैं हम चट्टान से चौड़े सीनों में तूफान उठाना है जोश में सरफरोश लड़ जाना है। दुश्मनों का शत्रु वतन बढ़ाए
आँखों के शीशे में उतरने को खून चला, बदन से टपक कर जमीन से लिपट कर गलियों से रस्तों से उभर कर उमड़ कर खून चला, खून चला, खून चला, खून चला, खून चला, खून चला।
बुराई पर अच्छाई का स्वरूप है, ऐसी है दीपावली सुहावन। राम अपनी अयोध्या पधारे, राम राज्य के दिन आए पावन।
चौखट पे चल के आज चारों धाम आए हैं, बजाओ ढोल स्वागत में मेरे घर राम आए हैं। बजाओ ढोल स्वागत में मेरे घर राम आए हैं।
प्यार की सौगातें हूँ, तारों की बारातें हूँ,
दूरी की न बातें हो, बस मुलाकातें हो,
सबको यही देती संदेशा। दीपावली गली गली बन के खुशी छाई रे, रोशनी की चादर ओढ़े दीपावली आई रे। दीपावली गली गली बन के खुशी छाई रे, रोशनी की चादर ओढ़े दीपावली आई रे।
आज की ये रात करे दूर अंधेरा,
दीप जले ऐसे लगे जैसे सवेरा।
प्यार की सौगातें हो, तारों की बारातें हो, दूरी की न बातें हो, बस मुलाकातें हो,
सबको यही देती संदेशा। दीपावली गली गली बन के खुशी छाई रे, रोशनी की चादर ओढ़े दीपावली आई रे। दीपावली गली गली बन के खुशी छाई रे, रोशनी की चादर ओढ़े दीपावली आई रे।
हम आज बिताए स्वर्णिम पलों की यादें संजोए लिए जाते हैं। दुआ करें मिलेंगे कल, सब स्वस्थ रहें, यही ईश्वर से मनाते हैं।
सांस्कृतिक स्वरांजलि की इतिश्री पर सभी श्रद्धेय अतिथियों से सानुरोध प्रार्थना है कि राष्ट्रगान के लिए खड़े हो जाएं।
सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंग, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंग। तब शुभ नामे जागे, तब शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाए तब जय गाथा।
आपकी गौरवमयी उपस्थिति के लिए धन्यवाद।